Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Is it possible to turn 100,000 naira into 1 million naira in 6 months in the current day Nigeria without having to beg anyone for anything or do Yahoo or anything illegal? Well, I say it's yes, it's very possible. And I dare you to watch this video from beginning to end and then comment that it's not possible. The 3 businesses I'm going to mention, I've tried them myself, and I'll give you links to those businesses so that you will check it out yourself. Here are 3 hustle-tested real-life businesses you can use to turn 100,000 naira into 1 million naira in 6 months or even less. Number 1 is selling digital products. Now, a lot of people don't understand this, and because you don't understand it, that's why you don't see the potential in it. I'm sure you have seen several of the adverts on Instagram, on Facebook. Somebody will say, I'm going to teach you how you can edit your video to look like this. All you have to do is to take this free course and I will show you what to do. Now, when you get to the free course, that's what people don't know. When you get to the free course, they will not tell you that if you purchase this ebook for 3,000 naira, you are now going to see everything in details, because the course could cost something like 500,000 naira or 200,000 naira. But for 3,000 naira, when you buy this ebook, you will see everything and go through it. That is genius. That is smart. It could be something like as simple as how to make the healthiest akara in Nigeria, how to make the premium moi moi. You get something like how to make paint from your house. It's something simple. Always make it something simple. How to make liquid soap for your home use. A lot of people want to make liquid soap for their home use. So if you have those skills and you can make a training book or a mini course or just step-by-step processes of how to do this thing, create an ebook out of it and sell it online. Now, the 100,000 naira, what are you going to spend it on? Believe it or not, to make an ebook is not that complex. There are several apps that can make ebooks for you. And if you need to pay for any subscription, please do. Now, it could cost you, say, 20,000 naira to get an app or do the branding or do whatever it is you need to do to create an ebook. There are several options, just research it, all right? Then it will cost you another 10,000 naira for, say, subscription before you start making money from the ebooks. So that's 30,000 naira now. Now, 50,000 naira, I want you to allocate it to marketing the product. Now, you market the product on social media handles. You probably already have a Facebook account or X account or YouTube account, whatever platform it is that you have. Spend 50,000 naira to market that product. Now, you have spent 80,000 naira already. You still have 20,000 naira left. And from marketing it, believe it or not, people will click on it because there are people that actually want to learn how to fry akara, fluffy puff puff. You know, simple things. Price your ebooks between 3,000 naira and 5,000 naira. And for only 350 sales. If you get 350 sales in 6 months, you have already made above 1 million naira. And it doesn't stop there. This is just within 6 months. It doesn't stop there. So you continue. And you can also make several ebooks on several topics and sell. One of the good tips of making it is that be very direct and detailed. Make sure you put step-by-step process of making whatever product or whatever thing you're saying there. Make sure you put the cost of getting any materials for any steps that you're going to use. And if there are pictorials or visuals where you did it, it will be awesome if you put them through. I have published a book. Here's the link to the book, and here is the book. All right. Now, this book is selling on Amazon in dollars, and I could leave it for a year and then go and find out how much is in the account. I could market it for a period of time and it will get sales. Then I'll go and find out how much it accumulates and then withdraw those amounts. If I could get a book published and make money from it, ebooks are just simple books. It could be 1 page, it could be 5 pages, it could be 10 pages, and you can sell it between 3,000 to 5,000 naira and make 1 million naira in 6 months if you can get up to 350 sales. Number 2, content creation. I always say content creation because content creation makes a lot of money, and that's why the Gen Z kids of this era are not interested in traditional jobs because they make so much money from content creation. Now, you could get a ring light. That's the first money you may spend. How much is ring light these days? How much is ring light? Like 15k, 20k, 20k, you get a ring light. But if you don't have 20k, you have 100,000 naira budget. But if you don't want to get a ring light, you can start in front of a window or you shoot outside. Gen Z era these days, they're not shy, so they shoot outside, and you don't need a ring light if you're shooting outside most of the time. So you start with expenses, 15,000 naira for a ring light. Now, when you have made up to 20 videos and posted on a particular channel, spend at least 50,000 naira promoting one of the videos or the channel itself. That's a total of 65,000 naira spent, right? You still have balance of 35,000 naira, right? And that's it. Now, trust me, if any of your video goes viral, you are going to make so much money that you won't believe it's possible. That money you have spent in making all those productions, you could make it back in just one video. There are 3 ways or say 4 ways you can make money from content creation. 1, you monetize the channel. 2, affiliate links. You talk about a product and then there's a link to it. When you click on that link and go and buy the product, you get some money back. You hear some content creators say, use this code, something, and you get so discount. Yeah, affiliate link, they make money from it. Number 3, brand deals. So whenever you're creating your channel, have in mind the kind of brands that will come and advertise with you. They'll come and say, hey, Paschal, I like what you're doing, I want to advertise. See this t-shirt that you wear is plain. Can you put our logo here and talk about so thing? Fine. Now the 4th way is you can actually sell your own product. Like you have a product, you have an ebook, you have whatever it is that you decide to make, you can sell your own product from content creation channel. Tips: be consistent. The business I tried, that is content creation, of course, is this channel. We have close to 50,000 followers on this channel. So, and I have made as much as $2,000 in 1 month from this channel, severally. So it's very possible that you can make it from content creation by flipping your 100,000 naira to 1 million naira. Now, the 3rd way you can flip 100,000 naira to 1 million naira in current day Nigeria is, I love this one. I call it skill flipping. Skill flipping. Now take that 100,000 naira, go and learn a skill. Then when you learn that skill, you will now get a job that is going to pay you because you have a skill. Do you understand? Now let me tell you a small story. I learned how to develop websites, and this was like way back, over 10 years ago. And that was when we were using Microsoft Front Page. It has been discontinued now, but it's tough those days. Now, I learned how to develop websites with just 30,000 naira then. Now, the first job I got to make a website paid me 70,000 naira. So I covered whatever money I spent in learning that skill with just the first job. So that's skill flipping, right? Learn a skill, how to make small chop, pie, burger, how to make a website, cooking, graphic design, social media management. Now, social media management is a different video entirely. It's very simple. Now, if you are vast, you are experienced, you know how to handle a social media handle and grow it, you can actually approach companies and tell them, look, you can handle their social media handle, set some goals and achieve those goals within the set stipulated time. And they pay you retainer every single month to manage. So a lot of people have to do it. I manage several companies' social media handle. You see them post, it's me that's posting, but you know, I'm posting under their label because I know exactly what to say that connects to the trending topic and the company, and then they get more exposure when people relate with their page. Now, the tip for this business is make sure you train on what you enjoy most, not what everybody tells you makes money the most. It's a fine line. So that's it. Which of these businesses do you think will make you money faster if you go into it? And if you want me to do a part 2 on how to flip small money into big money in current day Nigeria with realistic businesses, then you have to like this video, subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification, because when I post that video, you have to be notified. So you turn on your notification and comment what you liked about the business, which business do you think is very realistic enough to accomplish, and what you would like to see next on this channel. My name is Paschal. This is Top 10 Nigeria. Bye for now.